This is Ryan from Team Auto Shop. So we've been doing little renovations over here recently, these past few months, and this is a grinder and a wire wheel that's been in here forever, just taking up space. I don't know why they put it here, but we decided to get rid of this decrepit hazard. Look at this. That's a hazard. To move each one, get new ones, and move them to the bench so they're not taking up space, and they're easier to use actually because it's more accessible. There was actually a vise mounted also on another stand we got rid of, but I couldn't record that one. And then this is the grinder and wire wheel we also moved over to this side of the bench. So, yep, and that's the way we do it. So now that we got rid of the grinder that's sitting here in the way, it just opens up the shop a lot more and gives us easier access to this oil crusher and just keeps everything looking a lot nicer.